What's up everybody? Today we're talking about which guitar should you get for beginners. So let's jump into the video. What's up everybody? My name is DiDio and you're watching the DiDio show, and today we're talking about, I'm a beginner, which guitar should I get, acoustic or electric? And we're going to talk about all the pros and all the cons in this video, so make sure you like, make sure you comment if you have any video suggestions, and make sure you smash the subscribe button as well, and then hit the little bell so you get notified when I put out new videos. So let's just jump into the content. So I think a lot of people, especially for their children, get their children an electric guitar and an amplifier and a cable for the amplifier. And I mean, that's great and kind of been what they really wanted. Sometimes it's not the best to get an electric guitar to start off with, because you never know if they really are going to like the instrument. You never know if you are really going to enjoy playing the guitar or not. And really it's just all about having fun and enjoying what you're doing. So I think a great way to start off lessons, and you need a guitar. If you're taking lessons, you definitely need to get yourself a guitar. But what should you do? Because there are guitars out there for thousands of dollars, and there's guitars out there for like hundreds of dollars. There are guitars out there for a way lot less than that. So what should you do? Well, I think getting an acoustic guitar would be the best solution for a beginner, because acoustic guitars are a little harder to play sometimes than electrics, depending on what style you're playing. Bar chords in general are a little harder on the acoustic than they would be on the electric. But that's good. Don't take that as a bad thing. If it's harder, then that means whatever you can play on the acoustic guitar, you can play on the electric. Most electrics are built for soloing, for making it easier to play faster. That doesn't mean it's the best to get. Just because it's easy doesn't mean it's the best to get, especially in the music industry. Your parents ask you, what do you want for Christmas? You might be thinking, well, I really want an electric guitar so I can play like Van Halen. Well, I can promise you this, you're not going to play like Van Halen within the first couple of months. And really those first couple of months are when you decide whether or not you like to play the guitar or not. So I think getting an acoustic guitar is definitely much better than starting off with an electric. But again, you can make your own decision. You can really decide, because some people might know they really love to play the guitar, or they've played on someone else's guitar for several months and they just love doing it, and they're asking for an electric guitar. Then sure, go ahead and get it. But I think it's important to know before you spend a whole lot of money on stuff you're not even know if you're gonna like, that you like it. Like before I could have gotten this awesome Line 6 amp, I needed to know that I liked to play the electric guitar. Before I got the electric guitar, it's like training ground, I guess you could say. Proving yourself, knowing that you can play the guitar. It's mostly just practice. Although acoustic guitar is definitely a beautiful instrument and you won't regret getting it. So I think that's some advice I can add to your decision-making process. Remember, it's mostly just preference, what you like the most. So really, you make the decision, and I hope you enjoy playing the guitar. If you'd like to have a lot of beginners help, this channel is great because we talk a whole lot about easier songs to harder songs, and I know you'll get a lot of content out of it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Make sure you subscribe, hit the little bell so you get notified, comment, smash the like button, and check out some of my other videos. I've got some boxes up right now. So I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.